Today I'll be showing you how to build a small scale, not minifigure scale, of the Titanic. The RMS Titanic is the largest ship ever built. And today I'm going to show you how to build a very simple model of it. So, I got this little blue little sea-like thing. I don't know what you call this. At the back, At the back I use these little triangular bricks to like make more hold of it, okay? So it will stand better. And I ran out of blue pieces for the back, so I'm just using the little colored pieces. It's a very simple build. It connects big pieces with plates and bricks, so they don't fall apart so easily. They still do. So this is very simple, and then I use these little things. I also use some little cylinder cones for like the waves. You know, on the sea there's always some waves, right? It's a very simple build. You could take it apart to make it smaller, and then I use these plates to like hold them together. And then now it's time to move on to building the iceberg. I have collected a bunch of white pieces for the iceberg. I don't know if it's blue or something. And then I was like, I'm gonna build like a tall and like long iceberg. So I wanted to connect these together. I want to make like a square-shaped iceberg. Nobody knows what the real iceberg looked like, but I'm just gonna build a random iceberg because it doesn't really matter. Because nobody knows, so it doesn't really matter. So you could create your own iceberg using just white bricks, or you could even use some little light blue bricks or something. I'm just using white to make everything easy. Just add some more little bricks. Oops. Lay them up on top of each other. Just keeps on. My iceberg just keeps on running away from me. And then I get out these little bricks. And here I have a little iceberg. Yes, I know, you could create your own. I'm just using this iceberg. And where do you put your iceberg? Well, a lot of people put all of your little icebergs from building this model on here. It's here. See at the top. It's a better view. See? They cover the whole like place. So they kind of. So what happens when you put it there? I'll show you. I didn't build the Titanic yet, but just pretend this is the Titanic. If you put it at the back, you're gonna just like get the Titanic from the back, right? Just like. If you do this, it'll just go backwards of it, okay? But if you put it on that, oops, broke it. It's okay. Here, and then add this there. The Titanic would really bump into it, so it won't go any further. Then we're just gonna add this back in. Let's add this back in. Okay. Perfect. Now let's build the most important part, the Titanic. So, I found these cool red pieces that I got from a set. Don't know which set, but I got it from a set. So I connect them together and use some of these little use a black piece. There's the exact same dimensions as it, like the black part. Just gonna add one the black piece. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the white part on the top. It's a smaller part, This is doing one stud. And at the back, just gonna use some of these little bricks for some cool things. And now I found these little cool little Titanic pieces. See? So I'm just gonna put them on the Titanic like this. I'm gonna like create them and then just put them back. And then now it's time for the steamer. RMS Titanic stands for Royal Mail Steamer Titanic. RMS stands for Royal Mail Steamer. And since it's a steamer, we need the steam things on top of it. So I just used 4 bricks. 4 of these little bricks. Oops. So 2 of these 2x1 bricks and 2x1 brick with stud. Then I just put the yellow bricks on there first, and then I added the black bricks. And now you have your little Titanic. But I'm just gonna put it like this. You have all your figurine fingers blocking all the pieces of the Titanic. So you could use a bunch of these things, like these little long plates, like these. So try to pull that off. There's my brick separator. Oh, it's over here. I separated. Okay, now just gonna make it long enough. Make sure it's 2 studs wide. Don't want 1 stud, right? This is 2 studs. So make sure it's like 2 studs. You see, if you put on 1 stud, it'll be really weak. See, if you put on 1 stud, it'll be really weak. Broke. If you put on 2 studs, it will be slightly better. Let me slam it on the floor for you. Didn't break. But what about with 1 stud? I'll show you 1 stud again. You could actually also try 3 stud. It really never breaks. And so you could just put your little Titanic thing on them. And let's start your show. Hello, everybody. Today, I will be presenting the sinking of the Titanic. The RMS Titanic was a British mail steamer and passenger liner operated by White Star Line. But it was just going for a peaceful night, but until on 2340 on the Sunday 14th April of 1912, disaster happened. The RMS Titanic hit an iceberg, bam, and then it started to tilt, and tilt, and tilt, and then sink, and it's gone. Bye-bye, RMS Titanic.